recording.
No, that's fine.
Oh, this is scary.
Come on.
Caroline Reaper.
Just bite off the stem, just get her done. Do it.
He ate all of it.
He ate it.
He ate it. You ate
He
it.
ate the world's hottest pepper in the entire world.
You ate it.
Alright, you
How
guys,
are you
let
feeling?
him focus, because I don't care how badass you are, you gotta be able to focus. You get it down already? Oh, damn.
Oh
You
my
can
god.
chew it? I wonder if we need to get a bucket. There's a door right there. Worst case scenario. I'm planning for the worst here.
Should I open it?
We're waiting for the effect. You're crying.
Put it this way. I think he's handled it like a badass.
Justin Bieber crying. No.
Janet, why?
Hey, turn that off.
He's crying. Come on, turn that down. Be careful. His face.
My face looks like I'm like really sad.
No, like I said, I don't even see your face. Oh, it's starting to get a little bit red.
What if Lonnie ate one?
Zooming in.
If Lonnie ate one, I would go to jail.
You'd probably be dead.
Girls have a higher chance of getting
Turn that down.
than boys do.
Hey,
What the heck?
learn how to silence your phone or I'm going to throw it outside.
You're gonna have to get him a new one.
I didn't say I was going to break it. I'm going to throw it outside.
Well, Lonnie wants one. Not Johnny.
One thing is this. All I have to do is show this video to my buddy Chris. He's going to eat it.
Wait, how old is Dominic?
17.
7. Oh,
Time to post this on TikTok. Be right back.
The rough?
It's like a constant thing.
Yeah?
But it's like not too bad.
oh,
And
that's
it makes
you.
your face feel numb.
Yeah?
Wait, so your face is numb? You can't. Wait, it's spicy? So no, still. No, still.
Is it spicy?
No,
Yeah,
like
I feel like my
still.
face is kind of puffy,
Yeah.
but I can't tell.
See, you look a little bit red. Nothing too bad though.
Does he?
His lips are starting to tremble a little bit.
I can kind of. Oh, you're sweating.
Put it this way. I have watched videos of grown men
Yeah.
eating these peppers. I don't see how that would make it better personally, but I bet you that would make it. Doesn't that make it worse?
No, because you're blowing out all the snot, and it's just running.
Yeah.
So then it stays like that for a little bit. My mouth is numb and I can't talk that well. I feel like I just got this shit. I'm kidding. I pretended just a little on that one.
Hey, baby. Hey.
What? You know, it's not that bad anymore.
Really?
Yeah, it's like starting to calm down, but my mouth still hurts.
It's like numb.
Ish. It's still a little bit numb.
Yeah.
Like I said, I have the video of Jesse eating dried ghost peppers from way back when, and he wouldn't handle it whatsoever.
And then he's handling this.
Yeah, I'm just saying UBA,
Look
right?
at his hairs.
You know what UBA stands for? Ultimate Badass. I'm just throwing it out there. Yeah.
Mission. It's mission.
Project Badass.
Oh, that's what it was.
PBA. Yes. I like it.
That's what me, Justin, and Ed were doing. I feel like I'm smiling, but I can't tell.
You are.
Like I said, your face is a little bit red.
Yeah,
Obviously, I can see that you're holding it in, you know, because it's got to be hot.
More than that, a little bit.
Yeah, you got it, you know.
Well, I got the side view. Yeah, you can see the sweat.
I think I'm going to end this video right here. I'm just going to go with Dami is a UBA, or what was the other term?
It was Project Badass.
Project Badass. So I'll have to get Robert to give me like 2 of them. He'll have to eat 2 at once, and we'll see how that goes. I like
Challenge
it.
accepted.